Gentle, Wyatt. Okay, Caleb? Oh, you can hold hands. That's nice. That's nice. Wyatt, can you clap? Can you clap, Wyatt? What are you saying? You telling me about the day you're going to have today, Caleb? You going to go to daycare? You be gentle. Be gentle. You don't like that idea? Nice burp. Are you guys best buds? Are you best friends? Say, okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye.